YouTube, this is Andrea here, and welcome to another mini album page. We have this small page that's going to hold 2 pockets. They are 6 and 13/16 by 2 inches. The edge I used is by Martha Stewart, and that's what it looks like. Very pretty. So let's get started with that. And we're going to put our base on first. Then we'll put our pockets on. Now we need to tape up our pockets. Hope everybody's having a great day. We're going to stack these pockets on the page. Okay. Get our little pokey tool and remove our tape backing. You're going to need a little bit of wet glue as well. And when you put this down, you want to put it down with starting at the bottom. That way you know how much space you have in between the two. My glue don't want to come out. Should work. Okay. There. Ooh. It's going to give me problems today. There we go. So all the way down to the edge, and then center it with the paper. Excuse me. Alright. It's our first pocket. Now you just want to leave about a ½ inch to an inch and a half. I mean a ½ inch in between each section. So even on the top and even on the bottom. So this section here and this section here. And that is what it looks like when you got it on. Then we have our paper to go on top. And our paper for the bottom. It's got balloons on it. Perfect. Gives you a double pocket. You can put all kinds of little tags in there. Gonna go like so. Like so. Doesn't matter if they go over a little bit, that's a-okay. We'll put a couple more in there. Like so. And that is our finished product. I like it. Turned out really cute. You could go even further and put some of those chipboard pieces on here. Like maybe this one down here. And this cute little butterfly up there, but that kind of blends in with that. Let's go with something different. This one's really cute. That kind of blends in as well. Maybe we put dazzling on top. And the butterfly at the bottom. Yeah, let's do that. That's what all those chipboard pieces are for. Helps you decorate. I'm just going to ink up the edges. Kind of helps them pop out a little bit instead of blending in too much. Yeah, I like that. And just glue it down. Okay. And that is it for this page. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.